my bed. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look too thirsty. Put your drink, got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love, then it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Then it gotta be.
Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. And as you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be trying out the Juvias Place, the chocolates palettes, with a couple of more new items like a new foundation and some new lip products, but the main focus is on the eyeshadow palette. And if you don't know, it comes in this cute little carton, and then it does come bubble wrapped. I keep all the packaging to show you guys how it comes, and of course I did use it. And then this is what it looks like. Super pretty brownie shades. So if you want to see how I got this look using this palette, then just keep on watching. Okay, so as you can see, my brows are done and my eyelids are primed. So we are going to get right into the shadow. So I'm super excited to try this palette. This is the Juvias Place, the Chocolates palette. And just by the color of the palette, I already know I'm gonna love the shades in here. I'm psychic. Do you see this? Do you see the freaking shades in this palette? So I didn't set my primer down, so I'm gonna take the shade right here and set it down. You know what? I think this might be too dark to set that down, so I'm just gonna throw this in the crease. There's so many things I want to do with this palette. I want to do a halo eye, I want to do a smoky eye, I want to do a cut crease. I just don't know what to do first. I think I'm going to do a smoky eye today, like full blown out smoky eye. On the lid, I'm going to take this shade right here. So if you're looking at the palette like this, it's the shade to the left of this center shade, because I know these two shades look really similar, but this one is just a little bit lighter than that one. I'm going to pack this on all over the lid, and then I'm going to use this shade right here to blend out the edges and probably go back in with my transition shade to soften everything up. So I'm going to take a smaller, more defined brush, take this brown shade and go around the edges and soften up the dark shade that I just placed down. So now we're just going to go back into the first shade that I took to bring that transition back and soften up all the smokiness I got going on. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to do a liner and mascara. So for liner, I'm using the usual, my Essence Matte Black Liner, and then for mascara, I'm taking my ColourPop BFF mascara in the shade Black on Black. And I'm also going to add some lip oil to my lips because they look dry AF. Okay, so eyes are done for now. Should probably move you guys a bit closer. Okay, so eyes are done for now, so let's move on to the base. I'm going to be moisturizing with my Kypris Antioxidant Dew Serum. This stuff is bomb. And then I'm going to be priming with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. So I do have a new foundation to try today. It's from Haley's Beauty. This is their Reset Liquid Matte Foundation, and I got mine in the shade 6.65 Neutral, which looks super dark. I'm hoping that it matches me. This might be a summer shade for me, but I want to say I love the freaking packaging on this. Look how sleek it is. So you just pull the lid off. I thought it twist off for some reason, but I'm just going to apply some to my sponge. Okay, this does look a bit dark. Oh man, that is super dark. So I'm adding that much more. Oh, this smells like paint. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna have to get a different shade. Man, it looks so much lighter online. This is so annoying. I'm gonna go over top with my L'Oreal True Match foundation, and that should help match the shade a bit more. So I'm about to add like that much. Holy crap. Maybe that foundation will look a little better for me in the summertime. I doubt it. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more. I have so much foundation on my face right now. I feel like cake face 101. Okay, that looks a little better. In person, it looks a lot better. I know on camera it still looks a little bit off, but I got stuff to do today. Okay. So for concealer, I'm going to use my Morphe Fluidity Concealer on its own because I need some light to this face. And I have the shade C2.35. So now I'm going to cream, bronze, and highlight. So you guys know, Mega Glow Stick from Wet n Wild in the shade Call Me Maple, and the Milk Makeup Cream Highlighter in the shade Lit has been my go-to. So to set down my face, I'm going to be using the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Banana Scented Baking Powder. This color is so pretty, and then I'm gonna finish off the lower lash line as far as shadow goes, and then mascara and the waterline liner. So for bronzer, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Bronzer Reloaded bronzer in the shade Long Weekend, and my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in the shade Wisp. I completely skipped blush. Good job. For blush, I'm going to take the Buxom Perma Infused Blush in the shade Ibiza. And I'm also going to use the same setting powder, the loose setting powder, to clean up my bronzer. Okay, so last but not least is lips and setting spray. So I'm going to be using the Cork Dose of Colors lip set that I got from Dose of Colors on Black Friday. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I hauled it, so I will leave the haul linked up here so you guys can go check it out. It basically came with a lip liner, a matte lipstick, a velvet lipstick, and a lip gloss, all in the shade Cork. So I'm going to be using the lip liner, the matte lipstick, and the lip gloss. And then for setting spray, I'm going to be using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. guess what I forgot to do? Set my eyebrows. It literally never fails. Okay, so that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked the way this look came out. So let me just give you guys a little quick overview of my thoughts on the new stuff that I tried today. So the Haley's Beauty Foundation obviously was not my shade. If I mix it with the L'Oreal foundation, I'm pretty sure I can make it work, but I will be getting the correct shade. But I can tell that the formula is super dewy. I'm not sure if you guys noticed that when I was applying it, I looked super hydrated. But I do like it so far. It felt really lightweight, nothing too crazy, but yeah, I give this a 10 out of 10. The Juvias Place eyeshadow palette, I am in love with it. I love these colors. I love this little brown, dark brown smoky eye that I got going on. I've really been into smoky eyes lately. This might be a new thing for me. Let me know if you like how the smoky eye came out. I freaking love it. I love all the shades in this palette. They do have other ones like this size, like color themed. Like there's the nudes, the pinks, the berries, the taupes. The taupes look really pretty. The pinks too, I think, or the nudes. But I wanted to try this one out first because I know I would use the shades in here. So again, this is a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes. And then the Cork Dose of Colors lip set. I didn't use the velvet one, but I'm sure that one is really good too. I love the formula of all three of these products. I love the color. They just go so well with each other. I love the packaging. I'm obsessed. I need more Dose of Colors lippies in my life ASAP. So yeah, that brings this video to an end. I hope you guys are staying safe, staying blessed, having an amazing day or night wherever you are. Make sure you like the video, comment down below what you guys think, or if you want to say hey girl, hey, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Todd, can you play that again? Give me some fire, baby. We've been through the 305 highway. Love it like a ride to the fast lane.